The nationwide Chakka Jam by farmers to protest against the centre's farm laws began Saturday afternoon. Barring Delhi, the blockade will take place in other parts of the national capital region and the rest of the country. The Delhi police has strengthened security at all border points. The police has erected multi-layer barricades to stop the movement of vehicles at the Ghazipur border. Drone cameras were surveying the spots. Barbed wires have also been put up to keep off people on foot. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has closed the entry and exit gates at several metro stations ahead of the farmers' 3-hour road blockade, which is supposed to exclude Delhi. The metro stations that were closed are mainly in North and Central Delhi. The entry and exit gates of Mandi House, ITO, Delhi Gate, Vishwavidyalaya, Lal Killa, Jama Masjid, Janpath, Central Secretariat, Khan Market and Nehru Place are closed as a precautionary measure. At an event marking the Gujarat High Court's Diamond Jubilee, Prime Minister Modi lauded Indian courts for interpreting the constitution positively and creatively and thereby strengthening it. During the lockdown's testing times, Modi said the Gujarat High Court video conferencing, live streaming judgments and orders every day and proved that our judicial system is efficient and effective. Prime Minister also said the Supreme Court has heard the highest number of cases through video conferencing in the world. BJP National President JP Nadda will kickstart the party's Parivartan Yatra today ahead of the assembly elections in the state to be held in the summer. Nadda will flag off the Yatra from Navadeep in Nadia district. The district administration has given permission to hold a political program with Nadda as one of the speakers but has not given permission for the Rath Yatra. US Defense Major Lockheed Martin on Friday said it signed an agreement with state-run Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to explore potential industrial collaboration in India's aerospace sector. Lockheed Martin said it was strengthening its relationships with the Indian industry and was working towards integrating it into the company's global aerospace and defense ecosystem.